Baby! Honey.
You started this morning.
No, babes, I was just inside. I was missing you, so I decided to come and check what you are doing.
Not this time. Huh?
Hope everything is going well now.
Well, everything is fine, as you can see. Okay?
Okay, so babe, I'm going to go inside and wait for you. I'm going to move all my clothes and wait for you. Don't keep me waiting, no, please.
I think I know what you want. Well, I will not keep you waiting. I'm coming.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, be fast. Don't keep me waiting.
Okay. Well, let me drink up and come and finish you, eh? Just it.
Okay. See, just pretend as if you're dead. Just lie down, close your eyes. Just
Why?
pretend first now. Pretend.
Why do you put away my drink?
Keep your hand like this. Close your eye. Close your eye. Close it first.
Okay.
Close it.
Honey? Honey? It has happened. Hey, let me be sure. Honey?
It's gone.
So fast.
So fast.
Hey. Okay. Let me call them.
Okay.
Let me call them. Okay. Where is the money? Pack all this money fast. Hello, babe. Everything has worked. Yes. Okay, see, everything. Okay. I'm going to tell my sister now. She's going to pack our bags. Just go to that hotel. Yes, that one. We are coming right now. She's going to pack those bags. Give me the money. Let me hold it.
Let me hold it.
No, let me hold it. No, we are coming. Where is this stupid girl? Rubbish man. Miracle! Where is she now?
Madam, ma. Good afternoon. Good evening, ma.
Leave